Today's grammar lesson is called Encyclopedia. Today we'll be learning what is an encyclopedia and what we use the encyclopedia for. Okay, let's turn to page 347 in the big yellow book or the language arts textbook. Okay, on page 347 you'll see that an encyclopedia is a set of books that gives facts about people, places, and things. Okay, so we've studied before that a dictionary is one book, okay, that it's a book that has the meanings of words. Okay, so if I don't understand the meaning of a certain word, I will use a dictionary. If you go to a library, you'll find the encyclopedia. Encyclopedia is a set or a group of books, okay, that gives you real information about different people, places, or things. Okay, and here, as you see here, these are all encyclopedias. It's a set of books, so that means it's a group of books. It's not only one book. Okay, and it has different information or facts about, as we said, people, places, or things. Okay, each book here is called a volume. Okay, as we said, each book is called a volume. It's in ABC order and also in numbers. Okay, and each volume are arranged in ABC order. Okay, so like, how can we use it? It says here that we use the volume according to what we're looking for. Like if I want to learn about birds, birds begin with the letter B. So if I want to learn about birds, I will find information or real information or facts in volume B or volume 2. Why? Because volume B has information about the letter, things that begins with the letter B. So if I want to learn about birds, I will use volume B or volume 2. Okay, it says you can look up flags in this book. So if I want to learn about flags, flags begin with F, I will use volume F or volume 6. Okay, so we choose which volume according to what we are looking for. If I want to learn about stars, stars begins with S, I will use volume S or volume 16. Okay, and if we want to learn about trees, we will use volume T or volume 17. Again, what is an encyclopedia? An encyclopedia is a set or a group of books that gives facts or real information about different people, places, and things. Okay, how many books are there? There are 19 encyclopedias. Okay, and they are arranged in ABC order or in numbers. Okay, how do we choose which volume we will use? According to the letter of what we will search for. If I want to learn about zebras, I will go to volume W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, because here we have Z or volume 19. If I want to learn about elephants, I will go to volume E or volume 5. All right, here let's practice. It says, tell me which volume you will use to find information about each. Okay, here's a picture of encyclopedia. It's arranged in ABC order. Okay, so as for example, if I want to learn about elephants or find details about elephants, elephants begins with E. Which volume will I use? I will use volume E or volume 5. Okay, so I will write volume E. Okay, number 2, flag. If I want to learn about flags, which volume will I use? Flags begin with F. I will go to volume F or volume 6. Okay, What about zebras? Zebras begins with Z. So I will use volume W, X, Y, and Z. They put all these letters together in one volume. Okay. What about sun? Sun, I will use volume S. What did I just do? Okay. And the last one, dogs, I will go to volume D. Okay. This was just for practice. Now, if you open to page 348, okay, you will choose the correct volume to answer the questions from 1 to 5. Okay, it says on page 348, draw a circle around the correct answer. Okay, look in volume R or B to find out about birds. If I want to learn about birds, which volume will I use? Volume R or volume B? Birds begin with B, so I will look in volume B. Number 2, look in volume L or S to find out about snakes. What letter does snakes begin with? Snakes begin with S, so of course I will check volume S. Okay, I will search and look up snakes in volume S, circle S. Okay, I'm sorry, I was supposed to make it big. Okay, number 3, look in volume T or D to find out about teeth. Okay, if I want to learn or find information about teeth, which volume will I use, T or D? Of course, T. Why? Because teeth begins with T, and of course, I will find information about teeth in volume T. It says look in volume M to find out about milk or cookies. If I have volume M, what can I find information about? Milk or apples? Of course, we're in volume M, so everything begins with the letter M. I will search or look up milk in volume M. Look in the G volume to find out about fruit or grapes. If I'm in volume G, what will I look about? Grapes, of course, because grapes begin with G. Okay? And that was our lesson today about encyclopedia. So encyclopedia is a set or a group of books that has real information or facts about people, places, or things. Okay? And the volumes are arranged. Each book is called a volume, and they are in ABC order. And we choose which volume to use or find to find information according to the first letter of the thing that we are looking up. Okay? I hope you understood. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Bye.